In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can check your analytics on TikTok. So once you've loaded up TikTok, you'll be on your home screen. Then you just want to tap on your profile icon at the bottom right hand corner. That's going to take you to your profile. Then you just want to tap on those three horizontal stripes at the top right hand corner. Now, when it comes to viewing your analytics on TikTok, it's best to have a create account or a business account because then you'll be able to get the most out of that. So if you don't have either a business or creator, go to where it says manage accounts at the top. And then you can either switch to a personal or, a business or a creator account over here. Once you've done that, you can come back and you can tap on where it says creator tools. And there you'll see the option analytics, creator portal, and Q&A. Tap on analytics. This is going to give you all the information regarding your account, like your engagement, your follower increase or decrease, your content, how it's performing, and your lives. So you can just tap on either one of these things and it'll show you all the relevant information. So that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like on this and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.